Welcome back. We're going to take the sales page or the front of the funnel and we're going to copy the URL. We're now going to head to our digital store and we're going to do that by going to this tab, by then going to the digital stores tab. We will then click on the digital store tab. In this case, we can add a new section. We can then add a section for products and services. You can make this section say whatever you want it to say. This is just what we have chosen. We're going to click Add Section. We're then going to click Add Product. We're then going to add an external link. We're then going to place our URL here in this area. We're going to fill in our title, button, and subtitle. We could add an image, but for the sake of this video, we are going to skip this part of the process. Once we have all the verbiage in, we then click Publish, and our new link is now available. We'll want to test our link again by going to the View command and then clicking on this element. And basically, you'll now see that we end up on the landing page, and then we'll then be taken to the payment process. Okay, so without thanks, and I will see you in another video.